How to send location on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send location on Truecaller. First open Play Store and make sure your Truecaller is updated. Just see if there's an update here and then click on it if you found it. And now let's move to the next step. Open Truecaller and then go to messages here, and now just select any chat you want, like this one, and then click this icon here, and that's it. Now here we'll find location. Just click on it and then you can send any location you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.